Business do not use the Jira. 99.99 business do not use Jira. They use what documents? Google Doc or any other requirements, documentation, requirement tools to write the requirements. Because this is not their liability, this is not their responsibility. They will give the documentation, we read it, we start creating the user story, we go back, set up the meeting, clarify based on what we do not understand, and we continue the journey. In the meantime, we actually start cleaning up our backlog, make the backlog nice, clean, shiny, make sure that I can take this backlog to in the sprint planning meeting so that development team member can understand, can talk, can guesstimate, and can actually put the points in the user story so that they can work during the sprint. But
can you
are
show
not
us how to clean the backlog?
Say again?
Can you show us how to clean the backlog again?
What do you mean change the backlog?
Go to our project.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Go ahead. What should I do?
Clean the backlog. Just delete it, right?
Yeah, clean the backlog. Okay. Oh, what was the question was?
No, she was telling you. She was asking if you can show how to clean the backlog again.
So clean the backlog means if something is duplicate, you just say it is duplicates. So you can add the tag, right? This is the duplicate, right? Add a tag, dupes, right? Duplicate, sorry. So it means duplicate of user story 1, 2, 3. See this? So now you'll understand. Okay, I should not work on it. So grooming the backlog or cleaning the backlog means you are writing the user story over and over. You have one type of like the priority that the development team need to do. Maybe business gave you some type of priority. So user story is on this backlog, you need to actually bring them on the top. On the top, user story can be, everybody can see. On the bottom user story, people cannot see. So you can actually move like this. We cannot move now. Can we move? So there should be a new functionality that you should be able to move the user story.
And also another thing I noticed, is there a way you can just, make some of the user story not visible?
No, why you want to do that?
Well, because there's so many, right? And you just want to focus on things you need to work on. So you can just make the others not visible that way.
That's a good question. So
We
can add it. Yeah, we can add a filter here, right? Only my user story, correct?
Filtering.
Filter. Add a filter that the only user story I created. Am I right? And actually, your query goes here. Only user story I created, which is not done or which is done. Did I answer your question? You can do two ways. You can go on the backlog and you can say filter by my name. Filter by Fahmid name. Fahmid name, what is done? What is open? What is not done? Good? Is that what you're asking?
Yes, and also, is that going to be for everyone? Like if I do that filter, is it going to be changed for everyone?
Only you, your view, your computer.
Ouch.
Good?
Yes.
Okay. What is it?